Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Pack. I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller. And in today's video, I am going to tell you guys how I stay productive and get shit done, man, because it's very easy to be lost in what you do. And it's important that you know how to stay productive and not busy, okay? There's a big difference between productivity and busyness. Busyness doesn't get you anywhere, productivity does move you forward, okay? So I want to teach you guys how to be productive and not just fill your whole schedule out all day long to be busy, because that really doesn't get you anywhere. Sure, it might look good that you're busy, but it really doesn't mean anything if it doesn't take you anywhere, okay? So let's do this. Before I begin, I'm gonna show you guys my sales so far so you guys know I'm a current Amazon seller, so let's get to the proof. All right. Boom, there you go. I think I can't read backwards. $1,800 for the day so far. I just ran a lightning deal today, so it's a little bit higher than normal. Almost $33,000 in the last 3 days. That's how my account's doing. And yes, my phone's at 6% for all y'all talking shit. I know my phone's always dying, but I just ordered the new iPhone 12 Pro. Super excited about getting that. So that's gonna come in a few weeks, so I won't have any more battery problems. But let's start off with the first thing you need to do in order to stay productive. Number one is know what your big picture goal is. So for example, myself, my big picture goal is to create a 7-figure Amazon business, so a multi-million-dollar business. Well, starting at least at the million mark, right? So that's the big picture goal, right? And you want to basically know what that is, and it doesn't matter how big it is or small it is, whatever the case may be, but you have to start by knowing what it is. Write it down, put it on your phone, ingrain it into your head. Know what your goal is so you have something to aim for. The second thing is start working backwards from that point, all right? So once you know what your big picture goal is, work backwards on all the steps you need to take that. So let's say, for example, in 1 year, I want to scale my business to 7 figures, right? Hit that $1 million mark. Right now, I'm doing about 500K, right? Or almost 400K, on my way to 500K, whatever, right? So I know that I have to reach that $1 million mark. How do I get there, right? So how much revenue do I have to make per month in order to get there? Well, I have to make, $88,000 per month to get there. And right now I'm doing like 30K, 40K, right? So what do I need to do on a monthly basis? Okay, now what do I need to do on a weekly basis? Okay, I know what I gotta do now. And then what I have to do on a daily basis. So work backwards, know what your goal is within a year, 2 years, whatever, then start knowing what your monthly goals are and the weekly goals are. So that way you have something to work towards in a smaller scale. So now you'll have all the tasks on a weekly, monthly, and daily basis that you'll know will move you a little closer. So for me, I have to launch more products. I have to scale my current products like that, right? So I know that, okay, this next product, I wanted to make at least $5,000 per month. That's gonna add to my portfolio. Okay, launch another product, and then eventually that's gonna hit me to that $88,000 per month, and that'll come out to $1 million per year, right? So work backwards. So that way you have your tasks ready. Third major tip is create a list, a power list, a to-do list of 3 to 5 major things you need to do that are going to get you closer to that goal on the daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. So let's say, for example, that $88,000 per month, if I divide that by 30 days, I have to make almost $3,000 per day, all right? So if I'm making $1,000 per day right now, how do I get myself to $3,000 per day? How many more products do I need to launch? How much more advertising do I have to push for my current products? That's the goals that I know that I have to hit. And then you have to figure out your own goals on what you need to do on a daily basis. But give yourself only 3 to 5 tasks. Don't close out your entire schedule with busy work and think that it's gonna get you somewhere. If those 3 to 5 major tasks towards your business, you get it done by like 10 a.m., then that's it. Then you can just relax all day long. Don't feel like you have to just, stay hard and grind all day long, wake up at 5 a.m. and then, go to sleep at like 9 a.m. Like, you don't have to do that, okay? I don't do that. And I've made a good amount of progress, and I'm gonna continue making great progress, not having to wake up at 5 a.m. and grinding 24/7. Now, mind you, there will be days where you will have to work longer than normal, or you'll have late nights, but that's not gonna be every day. You just wanna make sure that those major tasks are done. So some days, those 5 tasks will only take you a couple hours or a few hours in a day. And then other times, those 5 tasks will literally take you 12 hours to do all day long. So keep in mind that it's gonna vary, but you need to make sure those 3 to 5 tasks are related directly to your goal and will move you closer to it after accomplishing it, all right? So that's super, super important. That way you don't burn yourself out, you have balance, and you know that at the end of the day, I know I've gotten those 5 tasks done. I know I've done what I needed to do, and I don't have to feel guilty about laying around watching Netflix at the end of the day. I can do whatever the fuck I want because I've already completed what I needed to do for the day, all right? Super, super important. Now, you cannot add like going to the gym as like one of your major tasks or anything like that, or, pick up your laundry or something like that. These are things that you need to already be doing as habit. These 3 to 5 major tasks need to be directly related to your business. So for me, I'm not gonna put going to the gym as part of my power list because I already do that on a habit on a daily basis, right? It's not something that I have to force myself to do because I already do it as a habit. So remember, these tasks need to be directly towards your business or goal or whatever, okay? Don't put wash the dishes or meet up with somebody for lunch. Don't do all that, all right? Only do the things that are necessary towards your business. So those are the 3 major tasks, 3 major tips I have for you guys on being more productive. So I hope this is very, very helpful, and leave your comments down below, subscribe for more content, and I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, go make that money. Peace.